This is again the Dead Sea salts. I'm going to show you the amount to use. Place in 1 gallon of warm water, and then we'll soak the individual's feet with this. Okay, 2 heaping teaspoons is all you need. That's all you need to put in there, and then just stir it up. The water's warm, remember, so it'll be fairly soluble and it'll dissolve fairly quickly. This also has an aromatherapy benefit, having lavender essential oils in it, among other things. So it's a rather pleasant experience all the way around, and certainly soften up those calluses. Now remember, you've already used the pumice stone to remove the dead skin from the heels before doing this. So the salt is now mixed, and she'll put her feet in there and soak for 15 to 20 minutes.
There you go.
All right, she's effectively soaking in the salt. So we'll let this go for 15 to 20 minutes. She can periodically, the person can reach down and rub some of the dead skin off of their feet and exfoliate in that fashion as they're doing the soak. It's often effective near the end of the soak. You can get a lot of the dead skin off that the pumice stone did not remove. After the patient or person is soaked for 15-20 minutes, they're going to remove their feet from the Dead Sea Salt soaks. And remember, we're not going to rub the feet. We're just going to pat them dry. You just want to pat them dry, leave the oils on the skin, because we want to maximize the moisturizing effect that those Dead Sea salts had on the patient's feet. Now, once that's dry, you're going to use some of the hemp moisture cream, apply to all surfaces of the foot afterward, but especially important on those dry, cracked heels when they're present. You just work this in. It absorbs in fairly quickly, but that's not as important as the next piece of information, which is once you've applied and worked in the moisture cream, you're going to have the patient put on a pair of socks and wear those for an hour. That way they'll derive the maximum benefit from the moisturizing properties of this 2-step process. And along with exfoliating, this will solve and cure those dry, cracked heels.